Hello iTalk UTalk viewers. How do we calculate the electricity consumed by the electric utilities? Well, that's what we are going to see in this video. To begin with, what is a unit? 1 unit is nothing but 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour equals 1000 watt hour. Remember this. You may have to recollect this in the later part of the video. Let's start the task with an LED bulb. The bulb that is shown in the figure is a 14 watt rated bulb. 14 watt is nothing but 0.014 kilowatt. Say you burn the light for 8 hours a day. It will consume 0.014 into 8. That equals 0.112 kilowatt hour. And so approximately it takes 9 days for the bulb to consume 1 unit if used for 8 hours a day. Let's take a case of a typical home that may have a fan, a bulb, a washing machine and a television. To begin with, bulb, which has got 14 watts power rating and it is used 8 hours a day. That will result to 112 watt hour per day, and the monthly consumption is going to be 3360 watt hour. Next is the fan, and say the power rating is 50 watts. Assuming that we use the fan 8 hours a day, it results to 400 watt hour consumed per day, and the monthly consumption is going to be 12,000 watt hour. Next comes the television with 70 watt power rating. Let's say that's used for 10 hours a day. Power consumed is going to be 700 watt hour, and per month it is going to be 21,000 watt hour. Finally, the washing machine with a power rating of 300 watts. If used for 1 hour a day, it will result to 300 watt hour consumption a day, and monthly it will be 9,000 watt hour. So for the hypothetical home that we are talking about, the monthly consumption is going to be 45,360 watt hour, and that's for a light, a fan, a TV and a washing machine. The table that you are looking at will help you understand power consumption per day and per month. Now let's convert 45,360 watt hour to kilowatt hour. It will be 45.36 kilowatt hour. Now is the time to remember what is a unit. 1 unit is equal 1 kilowatt hour. So 45.36 kilowatt hour is equal to 45.36 units or 46 units. This is how you calculate the electricity consumption of the utilities. Well, the next time you get to see the electricity bill, you might do a little workout by yourself and check if the electricity bill is relevant or not. Hope the video was informative. Please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to put in your comments. Thank you.